Alright guys, so today I am applying and trying the Hybrid Ceramic Wax liquid form by MEGUIAR'S. Pretty much ceramic made easy is the pitch line from this product. Pretty easy to use. All you're going to do is, wash it. First you want to rinse the car down, get all the bugs and grime off. Then you're going to want to foam the car up, make sure it's nice and slick. Next, you're going to use a wash mop to make sure that you clean the whole car with the shampoo of your choice. Now what you're going to want to do is wash the car down and hit it with Iron X. Now that we've hit it with Iron X, you can see the purple iron that's been on this truck. Here's what iron in the paint looks like. You see all those purple specks? So this is after I already cleaned my car. You can see the purple lines, see all the purple dots? That's iron in the paint, right there. There you go, look at them all. See all the purple dots? Look at them all. And this product will pull that off, so make sure you use Iron X if you haven't cleaned your car in a while. Look at them all. Iron particles. Iron, iron, iron. As it hasn't been cleaned in quite some time. Also, I recommend using Iron X every couple months. If you're not driving the car, it's not your daily driver, I wouldn't go ahead and use a iron remover. I went ahead and used iron remover on this truck because it hasn't been washed in probably 6 months, and as you can see, there's some iron. Next, you want to wash the car down and go to the synthetic clay method to make sure that you get every bit of the dirt and debris. Next, I am going to use the MEGUIAR'S ceramic detailer, spray the mitt, and this is the MEGUIAR'S synthetic clay mitt. I talk about this in a lot of my videos. Spray the paint, go back and forth, and you're going to want to do the whole vehicle like this. And this gets all the rest of the dirt and debris. This clay mitt can be used on anything. Make sure you don't push too hard because you will leave these streaks on the car or truck, and it is a pain to get off. Man, this is some rough paint. This will be a true test to see how good this product does. The liquid wax. Don't go to excess with the actual detailer spray because the water can be used also as a lubricant only if you've sprayed this on your mitt. Following that, you want to use an IPA, isopropyl alcohol. This is going to get all the coating, anything that's on the car. This truck has actually never been coated, so I went ahead and skipped that step. It's never had a wax, none of that. So this is going to be the first. Pretty much what you do is make sure that your mitt is wet, and you're going to want to make 3 little small dabs. Apply it to the whole car or truck, whatever vehicle you're using, and as soon as you apply it, it doesn't do any hazing over like any regular. It doesn't do the hazing like a normal clay does. It actually evaporates right away. It'll actually look like you miss spots, but the product is actually fully applied to the vehicle. So it's as simple as that. Really neat product. I'm actually going to do this truck, and because I'm losing daylight, I'm going to do the whole truck, apply it, wipe it down, and leave you guys with the finished results tomorrow when it's nestled in bed. So as always, you want to shake the product up. A little wet. I always make sure it's wet. Make sure that you're applying this product on a cool vehicle in the shade. Right now it's pretty dark, so just gonna do a couple drops here. Starting from any panel, you just want to go back and forth. And like I said, it doesn't haze like normal clays do. But go ahead and do the panel. So I'm going to do the whole foot of this truck. You can go back and forth or in a circular motion, whatever you choose. Make sure that you get each piece of the hood. I don't know why I choose to test this product on a big truck, because I have a lot of surface to cover. It probably would have been a lot easier for me to use the MEGUIAR'S hybrid ceramic spray, which I actually just did a review of. If you guys want to check that out, that product probably would have been 50 times easier to apply on a truck than this one. That was stupid of me, but oh well, we're committed now. So it's pretty much applied to the whole hood of the truck. Then what you're going to do is take a clean microfiber towel and literally just wipe it off. There's no dwell time. You can see where there's some access here. If you can't see that, there is spots where I can see that's covered, but trust me, it is covered. And I'm just going to want to go ahead and wipe it off. Oh wow, smooth. Really smooth. I can actually already tell that it's super smooth. Like I said, this truck was never, coated or even played, any of that stuff. I've literally just done maintenance washes on it since I first got it. Ugh. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much the application process. I'm gonna actually finish up this vehicle since it's getting dark. do all the sides, and then show you the final review tomorrow, along with going over some of the cool properties of this product. So I actually finished up using the MEGUIAR'S liquid ceramic wax hybrid liquid ceramic wax, and it was really easy to use. Sorry it got a little bit dark and I had to finish up doing the whole truck. I honestly should have used the hybrid ceramic wax from MEGUIAR'S, as it's a lot easier process. Check out that video for my review on this thing. But this actually is, I like it because if your car hasn't been waxed in a very long time or never been waxed, this gives you that most definitely pure protection, making sure that every panel and every piece on the vehicle has been touched. One thing that I do have to say is that it has left this paint on this truck so smooth. And I did this installation, the video that you are currently watching. I installed this product about 2 days ago, and today I went out in the woods and actually got caught in the rain. As you can see on the window here, this is actually sapling from a tree, but you can see that the truck has been rained on. Here's mud from being in the truck. There you go on the side, but as you can see, this truck has been in the rain and the paint is still so silky smooth. The water, when I drove down the road, just beat it right off. It's very smooth to the touch. I mean, this truck had never been, had a coating, had a wax, nothing. So to come in and use this product, MEGUIAR'S product, and have these kind of results, it's been great. You can kind of see the glossy finish in the paint. Not perfect paint. It might be able to, have like a correction. There are some dirt spots. But this product is, the hybrid ceramic liquid wax is great with MEGUIAR'S other ceramic detailing lines, hybrid ceramic detailer, and this hybrid ceramic wax. So next time you wash your vehicle and you have the ceramic wax, all you do is at the end of your wash, before you dry the car off, you spray this on the whole car and then spray your car off with the pressure washer. This activates all the molecules, restoring the all the properties of the ceramic wax, giving you like that ceramic coating feel, look, and finish. The beading, water beading, everything like that. But real quick, wanted to show you is how great this product is coupled with the hybrid ceramic detailer. I have some sap here on the trunk hood from parking under a tree. So I'm just going to give this product a couple sprays on the hood. Take a nice microfiber towel, and look at that. It just wipes right off. So it makes for, maintaining the, slick finish detail on your vehicle a breeze. I mean, it just comes right off. And then just like that, it's like new. It's like you just got done detailing the car and you don't have to wash it. So that is a really cool feature. You can see the whole side of this truck is dirty. So I'm just gonna spray it with the detailer. This side got a lot more dirty than the other side. But you simply just spray the detailer on. Take your microfiber and just wipe it off. And just like that, it's that easy. I'm actually gonna grab another microfiber towel because I don't want to scratch the paint. But while I do that, guys, I just wanted to, I'll finish up this review. Really amazing product. I really enjoyed it. I also enjoyed my experiences with the MEGUIAR'S hybrid ceramic wax and the ceramic detailer. If you guys are interested in the products, the links are in the description below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.